Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Fragment. Now let's create an example. In component package, let's create a new component. Because we have created a class name table, so now I will put the name symbol table. JS. Alright, in here I will create a symbol table. And this is a React component. And in this, I just render the UI. Return a table. The table is very easy, just have a table row, and for the column I will create another class for the column. Column is also a component, and this column just render and in here I want to provide two tag using TD tag, but to create two tags like this, for example, I will copy another one. Okay, you can see that we need to surround these tags with an element, right? You can see JD's expression must have one parent element, so we need to surround these tags with a div tag like this. Okay, we must do that. And in here I put some text, maybe hello and hello world, for example. And inside the T row I just put the column tag like this. Alright, just import the symbol table. Alright, go to the app and I change to symbol table for testing the symbol table. There are no any suggestion. Why? Symbol table. Okay, so let's run the program. Go back to the symbol table a little bit. So you see in the render we also, or we must, surround multiple tags with one parent tag like this. Normally we will use the div tag because the div is a very basic tag to surround another. Alright, we have a table here. We can right click on the table and choose inspect to see the sort HTML. Alright, and you can see here we have a table tag like this, and inside the table we have T row, and normally in T row we will see TD tags, but in here, because when create the columns we must add the div tag to surround the other TD tags, so we see a div tag here. So how we can fix this, how we can remove div tag, but we keep the subcomponent like column. Okay, that we remove this div tag, but also keep the column component. How can do that? So we can fix by using React Fragment. Okay, we can use React Fragment like this to surround it. React Fragment, and save it. Alright, we need to define the fragment. Alright, import React. Okay, and save it. Go back here, and now you see the table. Now we cannot see the div tag anymore. Okay, and another way to use fragment that use the angle brackets, just angle brackets like this, or empty tag like this. Okay, we don't need to put the fragment tag in here, just use the angle brackets like this, and save it. Go back. Now we have the same results like this. Okay, so this is fragment in React. Okay, I hope you was doing well and understand the fragment and what is the benefit when we use fragment. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.